morning. This is Wendy from Wendelonia, and we are starting off this new week with a delicious looking sushi lunch. I have to tell you, this is the lunch I want today, but Augie gets to have it. So the main event is this sushi. It's from Trader Joe's. The kids have been on a bit of a sushi kick lately, and so when I go to the store, I've just been buying them a sushi as a treat. But Augie assures me he's not getting sick of it, so that's good. So this is California roll. But if you notice, no cucumber, no avocado. I think avocado is required for California roll. So I disagree. But anyway, it's crab at least. And then this is some chopsticks. I just stuck them right in there. Then we have some cucumber chips. I know they look like pickle chips. That's because I cut them with the crinkle cutter, but they're just cucumber, Persian cucumber. And in here, in this little guy, we have some hummus, roasted garlic hummus. And then up here we have 2 homemade chocolate chip cookies that his brother made last night, and they are delicious. So good. So that is going to be Monday's lunch, and we will see you later. Snacky lunch. Pow, 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 pow. Yeah, so today's Wednesday. We've got ourselves a snacky lunch here. So, turkey, pita bite crackers, cucumber sticks, hummus, grapes, popcorn. And that is all there is to it. Good morning. It is Thursday, and we have another snacky lunch today. So I've got, this is in a lunchbox that I bought years ago, and I haven't been able to find it online for many years. So I'll look around and see if I can find a link to it and put it down in the description, but where I put all the links to all the products that you can buy online. But if I can't, sorry about that. So I have a couple fun little additions to this. I mean, this is straightforward pita crackers. Then we have sugar snap peas, because Augie's getting sick of cucumbers. And a little garlic hummus inside this bear. And holy moly, I love this bear so much. He just says yummy. And I call Augie Bear, so it's a perfect one. I always kind of keep an eye out for bear things for him. So then this is more of that turkey. It's just like endless. I bought a second package, but it just keeps going and going. I bought too much, I think. These are just rolled up. There's a little fork that says nice day on it. Then the final fun thing are these ridiculously big blueberries. I want to show you like how big they are. You can see it in my hand. That's huge. They're jumbo, so they're packaged that way, but they're really fun, and they also have a little fork that says have fun. You can hear the school alarm going off in the background. Sorry about that. So that's what he's having on Thursday. See you tomorrow. Guys, it's Friday, and I almost forgot to take a little video about this lunch. So it's packed in our LL Bean lunch bag. We have lots of lunch bags because I did a big lunch bag test a few years back. So we have tons of them. So I like this one for thermoses because it's deeper and a little smaller. So in the thermos today, using the Yum Box Zuppa. There's Zuppa in it. There's chicken noodle soup. There's a spoon and a napkin. And then this has a little toast. So that is lunch this Friday. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, maybe you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks a lot and have a great weekend.
And I forgot that I have a bonus photo today. This is my 15-year-old's lunch. He has a very, very messy peanut butter and jelly sandwich, a couple of pretzel bites, and a little dipping container of blue cheese mustard from Trader Joe's.